It's opening weekend for fishing season, so we're gonna go hit the water. Train bridge. Just 2 more. So in case you guys are curious what I'm using for bait, I'm using this little anti-snag frog thing. It's pretty nice because the hooks are hidden and they only get exposed when the fish bites on it. So yeah, that's really the only thing I use here, because I have used spoons and crankbaits before, but I've lost quite a bit in here, more than I've caught. And so I just don't bother with that. There doesn't seem to be too much in terms of fish out. It's pretty windy. There's actually a forest fire or something, some kind of fire. It's pretty big. So, like I expected, nothing for fish, not even a bite. The lure I'm using isn't great, but I have caught fish on there before, and it's just the only thing I want to use in a place as swampy as this little river here. So it looks like that fire's been put out. It's actually a little further than I thought, but you can see it was coming from that way there. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's smoking anymore. I think now we're gonna turn back just because the battery's getting a little bit low and it's starting to get a bit later. So yeah, we'll head back and then call it a day.